Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
Oh my
It's a white
god.
Christmas.
Yeah, I feel like after 2 years this has happened.
Yeah.
Look. You know when they say you behave like a child at Christmas morning? This is
That's
it.
how I feel.
That's the definition of this quote.
We are just out and about. Oof. It's so cold though.
Yeah, we're hoping that at least one coffee shop might be open so we can get something.
It will be nice to have some coffee. The actual way, it's like Christmas vibes full on.
Yeah, and my topi also.
We
Red
also
color.
have red in our outfit.
For the Christmas spirit.
Yes. Let it go, let it go, let it go.
I thought let it snow.
Oh.
As long as it's a Christmas vibe, that's all that matters, no?
This is the pretty side of the snow, and this is the ugly side of the snow.
So where do you want to go?
Think a cafe or something. I want to like get
Yeah,
chocolate,
yeah.
hot chocolate, or like coffee or something. Right?
Yeah, definitely. I can get a coffee. Look there.
Look at that Christmas tree.
It's just like a bunch of lights.
Yeah.
And this is the iconic Christmas tree here in Toronto.
I don't think so.
Do you want to maybe go around and explore more Christmas trees in Toronto?
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Right?
Okay, let's do it.
So cafe first or first exploration?
Let's walk. If we see Christmas trees, we'll record them. But let's go to the cafe.
Okay, let's
Because I'm cold.
Don't mind if I get that one.
Do you know how to ice skate?
I don't know, but I want to.
Looks cool, right?
Yeah. Because it's like always very crowded, and this one looked like you have to get your own skates. The Nathan Phillip one is very crowded, so.
Sing a Christmas song.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell.
So we finally found the store.
It's called Paris Baguettes. Very fancy schmancy.
It looks really nice and it has like things to eat also. So
yeah, and
Try
especially
it.
coffee. Coffee
Yeah.
is like the main thing.
okay, so let's go. What do you wanna get?
So either this or that.
Let's get this one.
You want to try this?
Veggie goat cheese dessert.
4 cheese?
Yeah.
Broccoli.
Either of them. This is cream cheese pastry.
Oh, it's not cream cheese. It's French apple turnover.
Oh, so this is cream cheese pastry. It's $5.39.
This looks so 79. So this looks like more value.
Yeah. Yeah, the lemon. Is it strawberry guys? Strawberry lemon.
Yeah.
Take something savory. The best piece. This one?
at Paris Baguettes and we got like 2 small coffees and look at the size.
No, this is such a good size. If you're in the Bloor and Yorkville area, definitely go and try Paris Baguette. They also have like some really amazing tasty pastries, like from sweet or savory, you'll get like everything. And the coffee is so nice. Which one did you get?
I got cappuccino.
Yeah, she got cappuccino and I got coffee latte. Or cafe latte, sorry. And they're
Almost there.
so good. Yeah, definitely try
really
it.
good.
So we thought we'll come to Nathan Phillips for like a nice, quiet winter time, Christmas time. But I think a lot of people had the same idea. And it's even better, I think. You see so many people out here.
Yeah, let's take like a closer look. I don't think the video is giving an idea of how many people there are.
Yeah. Let's see. They have that dragon from the Chinese festival we went to.
Yeah, looks like the same one.
Look at the line up there. I think that's all for ice skating.
I'm thinking it's like a photo booth or something.
I think it's like the restaurant or.
Let's go. Let's take a closer look. I think you're right. This is the ice skating line.
It's fun, but like to stand in a line in the cold, I don't know.
Yeah, like half of your time is spent standing in the line only. This area looks cool to get pictures.
Another Christmas tree spotted.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. Okay, let's take a closer look.
So beautiful here. All the lights.
I think it's really cold. We'll head back home now.
Yeah, but it's so beautiful, so pretty. This is how Canada, Toronto looks during Christmas.
Yeah. Alright then, Merry Christmas everyone.
Merry Christmas!
Yeah, as this year is coming to an end, we hope you guys had an amazing 2024.
Thank you so much for watching our videos and supporting us. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe to our channel.
We'll see you in the next one, and until then, bye!